Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So today I wanted to create this smoky brown nude eyeshadow look, and I paired it with this really bold lip. If you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so as always, my brows are already on. Now we're going to go ahead and prime my eyelids using some concealer. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking the Nightingale eyeshadow palette, and this is by Pretty Vulgar. This palette looks like this. And to start off, I'm going to be taking my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade, this brown shade, Flip Out, as my transition. I'm going to start off using this very lightly so that it's not too dark as my transition shade. I'm going to switch over to my Morphe M514 brush. These brushes are very similar. This one's just way smaller. And I'm going to be taking this darker brown shade right here, and I'm going to apply that in my crease. And I'm also going to be applying that lightly. I don't want it to be too dark. I'm just going to build this shade up to the intensity that I like. Remember that it's always easier to add on color than it is to take away. So whenever you're using dark colors, you don't want to start off with a lot of product on the brush, because it's easier to just add on than to take away, like I just said. Going back in with the first shade, I'm going to take Flip Out, this one, and with the same brush, the Morphe M441, lightly tap it into this shade. I'm just going to blend out the edges. Next, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. This is called Hide and Seek. This is very light brown, kind of like a nude shade, and I'm going to be applying that on my lid, taking this flat brush. For primer, I'm going to be taking my NYX Angel Veil primer. New foundation alert. I picked up the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I'm hoping that I got the right shade, and I hope that I like this foundation, because as you guys know, I love my Maybelline. So I was at Target and I was like, you know what, let me try something different. So I picked this one up, and I got shade Cappuccino. I really hope that this is my shade. If it's not, we're gonna make it work. Let me start off with just a little bit. I think this will be okay. Shit, let's go ahead and see what's up. So my thoughts on this foundation is, I think that I like it. It says that it is full coverage. It is full coverage because I did not use a lot of pumps, and I can definitely see that it is full coverage. So far so good. It says that it's a 24-hour matte finish. Any foundation that says 24 hours, I just want to know who was wearing foundation for 24 hours. That's my first question. And if you are, you shouldn't be. That's nasty. You shouldn't be having on any makeup for 24 hours. Period. For concealer, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. They did have the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer, but they did not have my shade in Target. so I wasn't able to try something new. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend out this concealer with my sponge. I'm going to go ahead and set underneath my eyes and set my face with the Kaylux Cosmetics Loose Translucent Setting Powder. I think that I'm going to leave my under eye blank. I don't want to put any eyeshadow underneath my eyes today. For contour, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cocoa. Next, I'm going to set my contour with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This shade that I have on my lid is not white enough for me, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this. Let me see if it's matte. Yes, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It says Nocturnal. And I'm going to be adding that on top of my lid shade. See what happens. I'm scared. Okay. For mascara, I'm going to be taking this mascara from Wander Beauty. It's called Unleashed. And I'm going to be prepping my lashes for false lashes. I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and then I will be right back. Now that I have my lashes, we're going to move on to lips. I'm going to be taking the Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Black Cherry. To set my face, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Spray. Shake it up, shake it up. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure that you comment down below. Also, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. If you don't have a YouTube account, go ahead and make one right now. Just like you made your Facebook, just like you made your Instagram, your Twitter, your Snapchat, make a YouTube account so that you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also comment down below. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you guys in the next one.